In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey with Microsoft Forms and use it in SharePoint. If you're a current Microsoft 365 or SharePoint Online user, this method is the easiest and most supported way to create and manage surveys. You'll see how Microsoft Forms offers modern connections, a mobile-friendly interface, and robust analytics, making it an ideal choice for creating engaging surveys. To begin, let's navigate to Microsoft Forms. You can simply go to forms.office.com or access it through your Microsoft 365 portal. Once there, you'll want to create a new form by clicking on New Form. If you're aiming for a quiz-style survey with scoring, you might opt for New Quiz instead. Give your survey a clear title and an informative description to let your respondents know what it's about. This helps set the context and encourage participation. Next, you'll add your questions. Microsoft Forms provides a variety of question types to choose from, such as choice for multiple choice questions, text for open-ended responses, rating for evaluative questions, and date for collecting specific time-based data. Consider what type of data you need to collect and choose question types that best suit your objectives. As you craft your survey, pay attention to the settings. Decide who can respond to your survey. You have options to allow everyone with the link to respond, which is perfect if you're aiming for a broader audience, or you can restrict it to individuals within your organization. Also, consider whether you want to allow multiple responses from each respondent and if you want the responses to be anonymous. These settings will tailor how your survey operates and who can access it. It's a good idea to finish building out your form completely before moving on. Once you're satisfied, it's time to integrate this into SharePoint. Head over to the modern SharePoint site page where you want your survey to appear. Begin by clicking on Edit to open up the page for modifications. To add the survey, you'll need to insert the Microsoft Forms web part. Once it's in place, you have a choice. Either add a new form directly if you haven't already created one, or embed an existing form. If using an existing form, simply paste the form's URL into the web part to integrate it seamlessly. Now, decide whether your page will be there solely to collect responses or if you'd like to show a results summary to the visitors. This choice depends on your desired level of transparency and engagement with the respondents. Finally, don't forget to save and publish your SharePoint page. Doing this ensures that everything is set correctly and respondents can access the survey. You can then share the page or link with your intended audience so that they can participate in the survey. That's it for today. By following these steps, you'll be able to create and embed a dynamic, interactive survey using Microsoft Forms and SharePoint, enhancing your data collection and engagement strategies.